Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Welcome back. We have already seen a lot of questions on MEIS scheme and SEIS scheme. Now it's the time that we go ahead and then discuss few questions on status holder certificates, how they will be eligible. So to have a recap, we have said for a status holder, there are multiple privileges. He is someone who contributes towards the foreign trade of our country, and there are different categories of them. Starting with $3 million, he'll be called as one-star export house. Then there is up to 5-star, which requires up to $2,000 million of export performance. So this performance is calculated over the last 3 years, and that is what we would check now, whether these people are eligible or not eligible. Now let's read the question. From the following, identify correct category for grant of status certificate to X Limited. Type of exports in US dollar. Exports of goods without weightage. What do you mean by weightage? For one-star export house, certain categories of exports, like say an MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises, if they are looking for an one-star status holder certificate, their exports should be treated 2 times of the normal limit. So they get a double weightage on whatever export they do. So they're saying export of goods without weightage here, export of service without weightage, and FR value of deemed export. They have given current year from April to October. They have given previous year. They have given previous year 2, previous year 1, previous year 2. First 2 are in US dollar. Then third one is FR value of deemed export. There's another question. I need to have $3 million of export performance to be categorized as one-star house. For that, how do I add my rupee value into that? So first question, should I include my deemed export also into this export performance? Answer is yes, you include that. Now how do you convert that into dollar value? They said you have to take the conversion rate as on first of the financial year. Exchange rate notified by CBIC. Okay, the question is also it's CBIC as on 1st April 2013, 1st April 2014, 15 are 55, 58 and 60. So this is 60, 58 and 55. Now we will get what is the dollar value. Now what is that we have to do here? We have to make understanding on multiple criterias. 1. Your export performance is calculated on a cumulative basis, first of all. So your 3 years turnover here has to be added together to check whether you are categorized as a status holder. So I need to check if this particular company called as X Limited, if they are having a cumulative export performance of say 3 million to be qualified as one-star export house. So based on the cumulative export performance, we will classify them as status holder. Now question, what are the turnovers I have to add? They said both goods export turnover, service export turnover and technology turnover, all this they have said. So goods I will add, service I'll add, even deemed export I'll have to add, I'll have to convert that. Next question, should I give any weightage? They have not said them as an MSME, they have not said this is an agri export, nothing. So they have not given any export which requires the weightage. So we need not add in this case. Now let's try to calculate. Computation of export performance to check status holder classification. Again, I have 3 years. Current year, previous year 1, previous year 2. So first is export of goods without weightage. That is $1,25,000. Then $11 lakh, then $5,80,000. Then export of service without weightage. $1,55,000, 4,20,000, $3,95,000, $95,000. Then I have deemed export, which I'll have to convert into dollars. First case, 50,000, 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs divided by 60 will give you 83,333, let's round off, dollars. Then 1 crore 25 lakhs divided by 58 would give you 2,15,517. Then 1 crore 20 lakhs divided by 55, that will give you $2,18,182. So my total is 125, 155, 83,333, 3,63,333 dollars. 215,517 plus 4,20,000 plus 11 lakh will give you 17,35,517 dollars. 5,80,000 plus 3,95,000 plus 218,182 would give you 11,93,182 dollars. So total export performance is equal to 11,93,182 plus 17,35,517 plus 363,333. Totally it is 32,92,000 32,323. 32,92,32, which is more than 3 million. $3 million. So, hence, X Limited is eligible to be 1-star export house status holder. Because for that you require 3 million, they have got 3.2 million. So they are eligible for 1 star. So this is how we calculate. We'll have to add last 3 years export performances, so that you will get what will be the eligibility of these people for being an status holder. So we will discuss a little more questions so that we can have deeper understanding on how weightages would work and all that. So we'll come back with another question. Thank you.
Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.